because of that these ADRs are now very popular ways of resolving issues. So, it is a faster, obviously less expensive, sometimes within 2-3 meetings also this issue may be resolved. Sometimes it may take time, but at any stage, and this ADR you can go for at any stage. It is not necessary just like in court you are going to go first in the district court, then you are going into the high court, then you are going into the Supreme Court if you want to appeal. So, this procedure you have to follow in this particular court proceedings. In ADR, suppose you are in the now in the Supreme Court and you don't want to continue with the Supreme Court proceedings, there also you can go for ADR. At High Court level also you can go for the ADM. Obviously, in a district court also you can go for ADR. So, there is no any restriction at which stage you are opting this particular like mean this ADR as a mean to resolve the issue. Okay.